Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to sign up for Nintendo Switch Online on your Switch 2. Let's get into the method. Firstly, you could load up the Nintendo Switch Online dedicated app to view more information about what it offers, but the easiest way to sign up is to open the shop app. Double check you're choosing the correct account now, and then wait for the shop to load. You may need to scan the QR code and then log into your account using your phone if you see this. In the shop, move to your account icon in the top right corner and select this. Now move to the right and scroll down to the Nintendo Switch Online section, and you'll see your current subscription here if you already have one, or it will say no membership. Select View Membership Options, and now you can choose between regular online or online and the expansion pack. After this, you need to choose the plan that's right for you. You may have a free trial, or you can select one of the time ranges. There is also a family plan below these. Select Proceed to Purchase on your preferred plan, and then you need to choose if you want this to automatically renew. This can be done with the checkbox, but of course you could leave it blank. Either way, select Next, and then you need to choose the payment type, such as credit or debit card, and then enter your payment information. With this entered correctly, continue, and then you will see the summary of what you're purchasing. Double check this, and if you're happy, confirm this by selecting Purchase. Your payment should now be taken, and you'll be on the thank you page if this goes through successfully. You can now select Close, and then head to the Nintendo Switch Online app to view the features. It should also now show your current membership on here in the top left. That's how to sign up for Nintendo Switch Online on your Switch 2. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like, and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.